This is a monumental moment for Kensa and for ground source heat pumps. This investment will unlock Kensa's vision of a mass transition to low carbon heating by replacing the gas grid with its 21st century equivalent, networked heat pumps. It means a huge amount to everyone at Kensa who have worked hard to build the market for ground source heat pumps in private houses, social housing, non-domestic buildings and new build. Our approach harnesses the power of investment capital funding infrastructure, reduces the strain on our electricity grid and enables a just transition, keeping heating costs low and addressing fuel poverty simultaneously with climate change mitigation.
Even though it's only been installed a short time, it's immediately noticeable how much I'm saving.
We're extremely proud to partner with Octopus Energy and Legal and General Capital, who both show incredible leadership in bringing about our low carbon energy future.